Hello, this is Hensi Thakkar and you're welcome to the CSR Journal's Evening Bulletin. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says 2025 will be remembered for India's focus on reforms. In a LinkedIn post, he described reforms as a continuous national mission driven by trust, not control. The government opened the nuclear sector to private players, allowed 100% FDI in insurance, rolled out new labour codes and announced major tax relief for the middle class. Modi said these steps strengthen long-term growth and that the reform push will continue in the years ahead. China has claimed it played a role in mediating tensions between India and Pakistan during their May confrontation. Speaking in Beijing, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi said China took an objective and just stance to help build lasting peace, echoing mediation claims once made by Donald Trump. India has firmly rejected any third-party role, saying the standoff ended through direct military-to-military communication after Pakistan sought a ceasefire following Operation Sindoor. Today is the last day to link your PAN with Aadhaar. The Income Tax Department has warned that PAN cards not linked by December 31st will become inoperative from next year. Taxpayers must pay a late fee of 1,000 rupees to complete the process, while PAN holders issued after October 1st, 2024 using Aadhaar Enrollment ID are exempt until December 2025. An inoperative PAN can block tax refunds and attract higher tax deductions. Authorities urge citizens to link immediately to avoid financial disruption. Iran has seen its biggest protests since 2022 after the national currency hit a historic low against the US dollar. Demonstrations broke out in Tehran and other major cities, with police using tear gas in some areas. The unrest forced the resignation of Iran's central bank chief. President Masoud Pezeshkian has urged officials to listen to protesters' legitimate demands. Anger is being fueled by soaring prices, inflation, and fears of higher taxes, recalling unrest last seen after the death of Mahsa Jina Amini. Robbers have pulled off a highly organized bank heist in Germany, stealing cash, gold, and jewelry worth around $35 million. The break-in happened in Gelsenkirchen, where thieves drilled into the vault of Sparkasse branch and broke open more than 3,000 safe deposit boxes. Police say the suspects escaped in a stolen Audi after spending hours inside the vault. Authorities have launched a major manhunt, calling the operation professional and highly planned. That's all for this episode of Evening Bulletin. Follow the CSR Journal for more such updates.